What's up guys, this is Simon. In this episode of Tech Visibility, I'm gonna go ahead and review very affordable earbuds by Kurdene. These are very popular on Amazon with over 30,000 reviews for these wireless earbuds. Today we're gonna go ahead, unbox them, review them, compare them to Apple AirPods, Beats, Power Beats, you name it, Tozos. So we have experience with all of those, and we're gonna see if these Kurdenes, I hope I say the name right, are worth your $25 or if you should look elsewhere. Before I get into this video and review these earbuds, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you have not done so already. Also turn on the notification bell for future videos. We appreciate the support. And also don't forget to check out techvisibility.com for the latest product news and reviews. And let's get into this unboxing. Okay, so the Kurdenes come in what looks to be like a recycled box. It says wireless earbuds. On the back of the box, it's made in China, a little sticker. And this is what it comes with. It's very simple, a little foam cushion around and section for your cables. So once we get the cables out, there's a 1-year warranty on the product. There's a little card that says that, which is really neat. In here, you have your earbuds. So it does come with a little plastic wrap like Apple normally includes it. Now these are a little bit girthier in terms of width. They're about 1.5 inches wide, but they're very narrow. So I would say they're about 2 inches by 1.5 inches. Little tiny little peanut. Snap is pretty good, so that's staying up. So the snap case is actually really good. It's not even going down. You see that? So you're gonna open these, you're gonna feel like they're open. Very nice. These really compare almost, in my opinion, in terms of feel, to the Galaxy Buds by Samsung that I recently have reviewed in terms of the piano finish on these earbuds. So now that I peeled off all the fun stuff, you could see the piano gloss finish on these. One of them is already pairing. I'm gonna try to pair the other one. There we go. All right, good. So let's see if we could get them paired with our phone here. And we're gonna go ahead and do that. So now we're connected. And you pop them in and you have to turn them in. So they feel really good in the ear. So now we're connected to the S8s and I'm playing Hotline Bling. So bass is really good. Mids are really bad, highs are okay, treble's okay. Bass is there though, I will tell you that. So really big bassy song. I'll play another song by Drake now. You're not gonna hear that song while we're playing it because of copyrights. So we have put in a filler song, but this is what we got playing right now. It's very good for the price. I mean, I'm impressed with these Kurdenes. They're really good. The S8 models, lots of bass. If you're a hip hop fan, this has a lot of bass. Really good earphones. They do come with separate rubber size inserts so that your ear could feel comfortable. They're not falling out, so I feel good. I would be able to actually work out with these. The surround sound, there's no noise canceling, but it feels good. I'm gonna make a phone call really quick with these to see if they're also really good with a phone call, and then we'll go into the specs as well. But in terms of music, I'm talking through it and it's really nice quality. Let's dial someone in our office. I'm gonna go ahead and give a call right now. Okay, it's ringing.
Tech Visibility, how can I help you?
Hey Yuri, what's up? Yeah, another call.
Hey Simon, what's up?
So I am reviewing these Kurdenes S8.
Okay.
They are a Asian import in earbud model.
Yeah.
These have pretty good bass. They're pretty good on treble, not the best, but for $25, I think they sound incredible.
Okay.
They have over 30,000 reviews on Amazon, and I'm happy to review this product. Now, do you hear me clearly? That's the point of the call.
Good,
okay.
Good. You sound good.
Good, I hear you really clear as well. Again, because these don't have transparency mode like you see in the AirPods Pros or some of the higher end headphones that we reviewed, you're getting that muffled nasally sound. So if you're gonna talk a lot in these, I probably would recommend spending more money and getting an earphone or earbud with some transparency. So this is probably not going to cut it. All right, well, thank you. Thank you for your time. I'm glad I sound great and you sound great. Thanks, I'll let you go.
Thanks, have a good day, bye-bye.
These charge with a USB mini. A lot of earbuds are going to USB-C, so USB mini, you probably have these cables. The wireless charging in them is pretty good, so you snap it in, and they do have the magnet snap lock. Let's test that out. So if you do fold them over, they're not gonna fall. You got a little red indicator for charging there. Overall, very happy with the case. It's a little thick for me. I usually like thinner cases so they don't bulge out of your pocket. That's not a deal breaker in this case. I think you could put these in a jacket pocket, etc., and not know they're there. It's pretty light as well. So I've noticed a lot of other headphones, earbuds, etc., they're very heavy. These are light, so carrying them anywhere is a positive. Now let's go into the specs. These come in various colors, guys. You could get them in purple, in red, in black, white, burgundy. So there are a lot of options to suit your need if you want a different color, which is pretty neat. Now the S8s do have Bluetooth 5.0, which is becoming a standard in the earbuds. So these are on top of their Bluetooth technology for a quick rate of transfer, like all the other earbuds we have been reviewing recently. What's cool is they're also IPX8 waterproof, so they are sweat resistant as well, so you could use them while working out, which is good. Yes, they have Siri voice assistant, that's neat. And for battery life, you're getting a good 6 hours on a single charge and 24 hours with the charge of a case. I find that to be really good. On the case and on Amazon, they advertise that they're noise canceling. They actually are not noise canceling or don't have a noise canceling feature or active noise canceling. So they do have standard functions of pause, play, rewind, fast forward, play previous, etc. by hitting left or right earbuds, just like some of the other brands out there. So you can't go swimming with these in underwater. You could have them above water, get them wet, but if you suppress them underwater, they're gonna pretty much lose the signal in over 10 meters, which is pretty good actually. Their manual is pretty vague. One side is Chinese, the other side is English. I just wanted to confirm, and the reason I pulled up the manual is because they advertise noise canceling. And again, you're not getting noise canceling, you're getting that block from the earbud itself and the rubber, a silicone around the earbud that will prevent noise from coming in, okay? So don't think that these have active noise canceling when you're buying them. I like the touch controls from each earbud. I think that's a great feature. This has been the same type of design on many of the higher end earbuds nowadays as well. They do come with a set of cushions again for you to be able to adequately adjust the right size of earbud into your ear so it doesn't fall out. These actually fit me quite comfortably. I feel like I could work out with them and not feel like I'm going to lose an earbud by jumping up and down, doing jump rope, etc. Sound quality, finally, is the most important. Really good sound quality for $25. No transparency mode on phone calls. Good battery life, up to 6 hours on a single charge, 24 hours with the case. So overall, for $25, these are a hit as well. I would compare them to the Tozo line any day. And I think with the variety of color choices that you could get, you got a lot of opportunity to really get that right color and earbud that's right for you. Mini USB charger, a lot of those are still laying around everywhere. The good case snap action, as well as good magnetic hold on the earbuds. I mean, they're really good in there. So I like that about it. A lot of these earbuds I've been reviewing, they don't have a magnetic hold like these and tend to fall out. Excellent product for the price. Highly recommend it, and get yourself a pair if you need a very affordable earbud for listening to audiobooks or music. And as we tested, the bass is there. So I hope you guys like this review. Please go ahead, hit the like button for us, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already, hit that notification bell for future videos, and check out techvisibility.com for the latest product reviews, news, and leaks. And we appreciate it as always. We'll catch you guys here in the next video. Thank you.